Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share a very special garam masala recipe that my mom makes. She is 83 years old and still the best cook I know. A perfect blend of spices makes this so unique. Her secret garam masala recipe is sure to be a hit in your kitchen. Let's take a look. Come on. I have the detailed recipe with perfect measurements in the description box below. The measurements is for 100 grams of coriander seeds to 10 grams of each of the other spices used. She dry roasts all the ingredients on medium-low heat until all the spices are fragrant. Once roasted well, keep aside to cool at room temperature. All these spices are roasted on medium-low flame for them to heat through and become fragrant. I have mentioned below as to which spices can be roasted together and which have to be roasted separately. Look at how active she is even at this age. Now crush the bay leaves for them to roast evenly. Once all the spices are roasted well and fragrant, allow them to cool and mix them together. She will blend these together to a fine powder. The dry roasting brings out the oils from the spices and these in turn make the masala so delicious and the aroma is incredible. Wow, look at this. It's simply superb and the aroma is mesmerizing. Store in an airtight container and this stays fresh for 5 to 6 months. Thanks for watching and a special thanks to my mom for sharing her secret garam masala recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for such amazing recipes. I'll see you next week. Bye.